Okay, my dear students, let us do this problem. Three vertices I have given. Just find the area of the triangle within 15 seconds. Get ready to do it. Pause the video and do it well. See now. Delta is equal to half of any one point you can take as a reference point. Just I'm taking 5, 6 as a reference point. Difference of x coordinates. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 1, 4. Next, 6 as a reference point in y coordinates. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. So 1 by 2, 2 4s are 8 minus 8, 0. We got it. Area is 0. What is meant by area? Area is nothing but the amount of region bounded by the boundaries. So here you got it, the area 0 means the triangle is not formed because its area is 0. Then definitely these 3 points lies on the same line. See, I'm drawing here. Just I'm drawing here. See, this is one line I'm drawing. Its value is A 1, 2, B 3, 4, C 5, 6 means that 3 points lies on same line. See, one more tool we got it for showing collinearity. With the help of distance formula, we can derive collinear points. How can we? We have to find the distance between A and B. AB plus BC is equal to AC, then A, B, C are collinear. One more tool we got it. What is that? If area of triangle ABC is equal to 0, then A, B, C lies on same line. And how to frame the one more problem with the help of these vertices? Guess it. In previous we have done no? Like that. What we will do? Just here you take it as a K. A, K, 2. B, 3, 4. C, 5, 6. Are collinear points, find K. Are collinear points ante enti? Area of triangle is 0. That's why we have to take it. Area is equal to 0 and use same formula. You will get the K value. Can you think it? What will you get K value? Yes, K value is 1. One question I am asking you, get ready to say, my dear students. Is K value only 1 or 2 or more values will get? Only one value will get, because what is the reason, can you say? Because here RHS side you have the 0. Okay, if you open the modulus, then this side you will get it a plus or minus 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. అందుకు ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి సింగిల్ వాల్యూనే వస్తుంది. Can you find out it? Just you find the K value. That definitely will get only one value. That value is 1. Good. One more problem I am giving you. Do it well. This is a triangle ABC. A value is 0, minus 1. B value is 2, 1. C value is 3, 0. 3 points I have given. Can you find the area? Fatafat, find out it now. Delta is equal to half of, which one we will take it as a reference point? This you take it, this you take it, this you take it. Whatever it may be, you take it. But you have to go either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, clockwise direction means, see, this is the clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means this is the anti-clockwise direction. You have to go through like this or you have to go through like this. You take it as a reference point, anything. ఏదో ఒక రిఫరెన్స్ పాయింట్ మీరు తీసేసుకోండి, ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. కానీ you must maintain the order whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise కానీ యాంటీ క్లాక్వైజ్ కానీ వెళ్ళండి. క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్లో తీసుకుంటే ఏరియా వస్తుంది, అలానే యాంటీ క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్లో తీసుకున్న ఏరియా వస్తుంది. సింబల్ మారుతుంది అంతే, బట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ద మాడ్యులస్ symbol. So that's why output is always same whether you are going through clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, which one you want to take a reference point? 3 తీసుకుంటా, బిగ్గర్ వాల్యూ కదా, అందుకు 3 నేను సి పాయింట్ని రిఫరెన్స్ పాయింట్గా తీసేసుకుంటా. లేదు ఎందుకు సార్ మాకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్, ఎప్పుడు కూడా మేము సింగిల్ పాయింట్ తీసుకుంటామంటే తీసేసుకోండి. ఏ తీసేసుకుంటారా మరి? టేక్ ఇట్ ఏ. సే నౌ 0 -2 -2 0 -3 -3 -1 -1 -2 -1 -0 -1. So what did you get? Half. 2 1s are 2 minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. So you got it. What did you get? 2 square units. See how much easy. But now I am asking you not this. నాకు ఇది కావాల్సింది, నాకు ఇది కాదు. మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే you take a midpoints of it and join them. You will get the one triangle. That area I want from you. That area I want from you. Okay, see here. D, E, F. These are the midpoints. What is meant by midpoint? That point divides the entire line segment BC into 2 equal parts, then D is called midpoint of BC. We discussed in previous concept. So that's why join them. Now I am asking you area of this triangle. Can you say area of this triangle? I am asking you. Okay, first what you have to do it? You must find out midpoints. After that we will find the area of that triangle. Now find the midpoint. Midpoint D is equal to, what is it? Midpoint D is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 y1 x2 by 2. 2 points కదా. ఈ 2 points నుంచి మనం మిడ్ పాయింట్ D అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ డినోటెడ్ బై x1 y1, సెకండ్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ డినోటెడ్ యాజ్ x2 కామా y2. సార్ ఆల్రెడీ దీనికి x1 y1 ఇచ్చాం కదా సార్, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ x1 y1 ఏంటి దయచేసి అనుకోవద్దు. లేకపోతే x2 కామా y2, x3 y కామా y3 నో x2 ప్లస్ x3 బై 2 y2 ప్లస్ y3 బై 2. సే నౌ 2 ప్లస్ 3 5 by 2, 1 plus 0 1 by 2. 1 point we got it D. One more point E. How can we get E value? E value is E here 0 plus 3 by 2 3 by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Next F is the midpoint of these two, no? 2 plus 0 by 2 2 by 2 1 1 minus 1 0. So we got it 3 points. What are those? That 3 points we got it. D 5 by 2 comma 1 by 2. D point we got it. E point we got it 3 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. F point we got it 1 comma 0. Okay, now can you find the area of DEF? I want area of DEF. Same as it is. Same. It is a reference point. D we will take it as a reference point. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2 minus 1. 5 by 2 minus 1. Next 1 by 2 minus plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 0. Okay, what will you get answer? 1 by 2. 5 minus 3, 2 by 2, 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1. This is 5 minus 2 by 2, 3 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Okay. Now AD minus BC, do it my dear students. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. What did you get? 1 by 2, 1 minus 3, minus 2. Minus 2 by 2. Yes or no? Minus 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 square units. You got it. What is the answer? You got it? 1 by 2 square units. 1 by 2 square units you got it. Now you observe, my dear students, what is the area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is equal to how much? Area of triangle ABC you got it 2. The 2 I am writing like this. 4 times of 1 by 2. Can I write? 4 times of 1 by 2 we can write it. Okay. 4 times of 1 by 2 we can write it. See, that is equal to 4 times of what is meant by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the area of triangle DEF formed by the midpoints of triangle ABC. So 4 times of area of DEF. So what do you notice? The area of triangle formed by the midpoints is 1 by 4th of the area of entire triangle. Area of entire triangle is 4 times of the area of triangle formed by the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. Okay, important result we noticed. Yes or no? Next, one more we will discuss. Get ready. Now, same triangle we are taking. What is that? A, B, C. What are those vertices? 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 3, 0. Okay. Now you observe. Area of triangle ABC, how much you got it? Area of triangle ABC is equal to, what did you get? Area of triangle ABC is equal to 2 square units, you got it. 2 square units. Now, I am asking you, suppose the centroid of this triangle ABC is G. The centroid of triangle ABC is G. Then find area of the triangle BGC. Area of the triangle BGC. BGC area you have to find out it. Means first what you have to know? G value. What is meant by G? G is the centroid of the triangle ABC. Centroid of the triangle ABC. G is equal to, do you know the formula? What is that? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula for centroid of triangle ABC. Now you find out the value. 0 plus 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. Directly I am writing. And minus 1 plus 1 plus 0. What will get? 0. Yes or no? 1 minus 1, 0 plus 0, 0 by 3 is 0. This is 0 plus 2 plus 3, 5, 5 by 3. It is not a 2. This is 3. Just a good identification by you. 5 by 3 comma 0. Now you have the 3 vertices. What are those? A 2 comma 1, Z A 2 comma 1, Z 5 by 3 comma 0 and C 3 comma 0. B 2 comma 1, G 5 by 3 comma 0, C 3 comma 0. Now find the area of triangle BGC. Fatafat you find out it. Delta is equal to half of 2 minus 5 by 3, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. So what did you get, Nana? 1 by 2 of 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 1, 5, 6 minus 5. Okay, 6 minus 5 how much? 1, 1 by 3, comma, minus 1, 1, 1. Don't take comma. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, minus 1, 1, 1. Now what did we get? Say me. 1 by 2 of 1 by 3 into 1, 1 by 3, minus into minus plus, so 1 by 4. What did you get? See, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So 1 by 2 into 4 by 3, 2 1s are 2 2s are, you got it 2 by 3. What is the area of the triangle BGC? Area of the triangle BGC is 2 by 3. Now you observe area of triangle ABC is equal to, what did you get? 2, no? The 2 I'm writing as 3 of 2 by 3. Can I write like that? 2 మేకప్ ఫామ్, 2కి మేకప్ వేసాం అంటే మళ్ళీ మేకప్ తీసేస్తే మళ్ళీ ఏమొస్తుంది 2a వస్తుంది. 3 get cancelled, 2 you got it. 2 by 3 is the area of triangle BGC, no? So that's why this you can write as 3 times of area of BGC. The area of the triangle ABC is 3 times of the area of the triangle formed by the 2 vertices and centroid of the triangle. It divides 3 equal parts. Not 3 equal parts. It divides entire triangle into 3 regions whose areas are equal. So 2 most important results, we got it. What are those? Area of the triangle ABC is equal to 4 times of the area of the triangle formed by the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. First one. Second one, area of the triangle is 3 times of the area of a triangle formed by the 2 vertices and centroid of the triangle. Good.